Hello everyone, welcome to PythoVibes YouTube channel. In today's video, we will check whether a given number is a prime number or not. First and foremost, we will see what is prime number. A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 and that has no positive divisors other than 1 and itself. In other words, we can say a prime number is a number that cannot be formed by multiplying two smaller natural numbers other than 1 and itself. For example, the first 6 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13 because they are only divisible by 1 and themselves. It's important to note that 1 is not considered as a prime number because it has only one distinct positive integer divisor, that is 1 itself. So prime numbers play a fundamental role in number theory and have various applications in mathematics and computer science, especially in encryption algorithms and data security. So let's start coding. So here I have already defined one function named prime number check, and for this I'll be passing a number each time by taking an input from the keyboard from the user itself. So as we mentioned in the definition, so always the number should be greater than 1, else for the negative numbers these are not going to work. So for now what I will do, enter only positive numbers. So this is what I will write in the else statement. So whenever if we get a number which is greater than 1, what do we need to do here? So here we will just do one thing. For I in range of this 2 comma till the number. For now I'll be taking this range here 2 comma number. So let's see what is happening here. If this number modulus I, if it is completely divisible by I, that means it is not a prime number. So I will just write print this number is not a prime number. So this is what, if it is not, then it will print a statement saying that number is a prime number. So whenever it finds that the given number is an odd prime number, then it has to come out of that loop and go for else statement and print this statement here. So let's do one thing. I will save this and run it. Let's check for the input and see if it is working properly or not. Let me give 5 here. So it is saying 5 is a prime number. Let me check with other numbers. I'll give 6. 6 is not a prime number. So let's understand what is happening here. So if we given number as 5, this will be taken as an input to this function. So it will come to here and it will check whether this number is greater than 1 or not. Yes, it is a positive number. So it comes to next line and it will start the looping here. So each time it will loop the numbers. So what is the range of these numbers to loop over? 2, 3, 4 and 5. But the number is a 5 here. So 5 is not included. That would be excluded. So the loop will run for these numbers. So it will check whether this number 5 is percentile 2, which is equals to 0 or not. No, it is not equals to 0. And it goes to the next number, which is 3. 5 percentile 3 equals to 0 or not. No, it is not equals to 0. And it goes to 4. So 5 percentile 4 equals to 0 or not. No, it is not. So entirely for all these iterations, it is going to be failed here. So then it will come to this else block and it will print us saying that this number is a prime number. So at the end, we will get a information saying that 5 is a prime number. So this is how it will be working. And you might be wondering, when we give 2 here, 2 percentile 2 will gives you 0. So you can say that, you might say that 2 is, as per this logic, 2 might come inside this if block itself, saying that 2 is not a prime number. No, that is not the case here. Like when it is 2, if the number itself we given as 2, if the number is 2, then 2 is greater than 1 or not. Yes, 2 is greater than 1, so it comes inside this loop and it will initiate the range. So the start and the end, both these in range having the same number, so it is not even going to execute any of this loop here. So at the end it will comes to else block and it will give us result as 2 is a prime number. So this is how it will be working. So initially we have written in this way. You can also write another way saying that int of this number star star 0.5 plus 1. So we are just looping over the numbers from starting from 2 to the square root of that number plus 1. So this is how we can also do the same condition checks. We can do it here also, and if we check the results, so it will give us the same results. I will give 2 here. 2 is a prime number, right? And let me do one thing. I will check it for 9. So 9 is not a prime number. So this same range will also work for the all the conditions. So let me revert this. Since if you are comfortable with this, we will go with this flow itself. So this is to check whether a single number is prime number or not. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe to PythoVibes YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.